Whether you are a new school teacher or a new homeschooling mom, the classroom must be a place where students can focus on learning. This area, whether it is a classroom or a corner of your living room, must put students into a mood of studying. Here are some simple, easy-to-do techniques that will help you develop a learning mindset for your lessons. Welcome to Ruthsstraighttalk, the channel designed to help you, your students, and your children live fuller lives, become lifelong learners, and grow into the awesome human beings you were designed to be. I'm Cynthia Ruth. In this video, I will share with you classroom techniques for addressing behavioral issues. I will share examples of the positive strategies and resources available to promote appropriate classroom behaviors. Also, don't miss my bonus tip at the end of this video. So if this video is for you, let's get right to it. Number 1, speak in a normal voice. For some reason, we as teachers tend to raise our voices in the classroom, even when the room is quiet and our normal voice is easily heard. Raising our voices indicate to the students that we are stressed, and this will affect the entire class. For one thing, the students will mirror your voice level, and the classroom will become very loud. If we want kids to talk at a normal, pleasant volume, we must do the same. As a matter of fact, I have found that teaching in a slightly less than normal voice forces everyone in the room to shh each other to hear what I am saying. You want to also differentiate your tones. Consider yourself as an actor on the stage. You can use your tone of voice to influence how you want your students to react. If you're asking students to put away their notebooks and to get into groups, be sure to use a matter-of-fact tone. If you're asking a question about a character in a short story, use an inviting conversational tone. The students should hear your smile in your tone of voice. Number 2. Speak only after the students quiet down. You will be amazed how effective this technique is. It may be hard to wait until all the students are quiet before you speak. In addition to standing silently in front of the class, slowly but surely the students will cue each other. Shh, she's trying to tell us something, or come on, stop talking, or hey guys, be quiet. And lo and behold, they did all the work for me. Number 3, use hand signals and other nonverbal communications. Holding 3 fingers in the air and making eye contact with the students is a great way to quiet the class and to get their attention on you. I put 3 fingers up. When the students see my fingers up, they begin to quiet down. If the room is still not focused, I put 1 finger down. Now there are 2 fingers up. It takes a while for the students to get used to this as a routine, but it works wonderfully. Have them raise their hands along with you until all hands are up. Then lower yours and talk. You could also use turning the lights off once to get their attention. It works wonders. Another technique could also be something you do to let the kids know that they have 3 minutes to finish the assignment or to clean up, etc. Turning the lights off works perfectly with that. Another strategy is to clap your hands 3 times and teach your children to clap back twice. Works well with younger students, and the kids love it. It is an active way to get their attention and all eyes on you. Number 4, address behavior issues quickly and wisely. Handle conflict wisely. You and the student should step away from the group of other students, maybe just inside of the classroom door, and wait until after the instruction is over if possible. That way you'd avoid interrupting the lesson. Once you've got the student's attention, ask naive questions such as, "How might I help you?" Or "What can I do? What did you need?" Don't accuse the child of anything and let him know that you care. The student would usually become disarmed because he was expecting you to be angry and confrontational. And if you must address bad behavior during your instruction, always take a positive approach. Say something like, "Do you have a question?" Or rather, instead of asking them, "Why are you off task and talking?" that confrontation will just snowball into a very bad vibe in the classroom. Number 5, make lessons well planned and engaging. Make sure that you have a lesson that will keep the students engaged for the entire period. It is better to run out of time than to run short on lesson. When students have extra time on their hands, they are certain to make use of it, and often in a disruptive way. If the lesson is poorly planned, there is often a way that too much talking and telling from the teacher and not enough hands-on learning and discovery by the students. The bonus strategy, tangible rewards. Kids love rewards and will work hard if they can be rewarded in the end. This is a very easy thing to do. The teacher should use tangible rewards to encourage appropriate behavior. These rewards can include a variety of inexpensive items, such as stickers, pencils, erasers, or even privileges, such as extra time on the computer. I have a candy jar with a variety of sugar-free candy, of course, sitting on my desk for all to see. At the end of class, each student gets to choose a candy if they displayed appropriate behavior during the class period. This is almost always every student in the class. You could allow the students to choose the reward. If children are invested in the reward, they would be more likely to work for it. So there you have it, several ideas to help your students succeed in school by promoting positive, appropriate behaviors in the class. If this video has helped you, please leave me a comment at the bottom of the screen. Also, if you have a story, a tip, a strategy, a question, or just some advice that you would like me to share with my audiences, please also leave me a comment at the bottom of the screen. Click on these videos above for more awesome information on education and parenting. Until next time, happy learning and goodbye.